is our 2019 Capital Drift Pumpkin Smash, our big event of the year. It's a 2-day event where you can see we smash pumpkins. It's a really exciting day. We have nearly 70 drivers here. Washington, Kelowna, Nanaimo, everywhere. They've come up to drive with their friends today. It's a really exciting day.
All right, cool. Yay, pumpkin smash. Yay, we made it. Thank you for your patience. There's a lot of cars obviously to organize, and holy smokes, it filled up fast. So those of you who made it, awesome, congratulations. It's apparently a very valuable thing to be able to get a spot at Cap D. Now, who knew? But first of all, I wanted to point out how disappointed I am in the lack of costumes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Liam's upset. Liam's upset.
All of you.
Yeah, you guys suck.
Yeah, I look super silly now.
There. You get it, man. Although today is not a competition day, we are still having some fun. A lot of today is just drive with your friends, try to hit your friends, which is usually the biggest part of drifting, but we have some other games going on, like we have try to hit the ghoul game, we have drift limbo, and a bunch of others.
So every year we present what we call the Duke of Souk Award. It's been tradition here for probably 10 years now. We give it to somebody who does the most with the least, who has improved their driving skills pretty well, like pretty significantly throughout the year. And what's most important to us is someone who's been helping out the community. And this year we'd like to recognize
Duke of Duke.
Evan Moore.
Evan Moore! Yeah, baby. This is better than any podium.
It's our most prestigious trophy.
Pikachu, I choose you as Duke.
Yeah, Evan.
Actually really important.
Yeah. Kevin's been throwing down every single event. He's here first and leaves last, helping a lot, so we really appreciate it, man. Good job.
Awesome, thanks.
That's definitely better than a first place win here, Captain.
I'm super excited.
So thanks for hanging out with us, guys. This is our last big event of the year. You're going to find a practice coming up in this November, and then we're going to be setting up our schedule for next year. So check the website, capitaldrift.ca.